Hello everyone, welcome back to LearnX YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about Hurt, Grievance Hurt covered under section 114 to 125 of BNS Act 2023. These, these sections are frequently tested in judicial exams, police exams and relevant in day-to-day criminal cases. So now let us go with the Hurt. Section 114 deals with hurt. Hurt simply means causing body pain, disease, or infirmity to any person. Even temporary pain or minor injury or short-term illness is enough. Example, if person A slaps person B and B feels pain, it is hurt. If is intentionally infects B with a disease, it is also a hurt. This section corresponds to section 319 of old IPC. Punishment for this section is defined under section 115. Now let's go to section 115, voluntarily causing hurt. Here the focus is on mental element. If a person causes hurt intentionally or knowing that his act is likely to cause hurt, the offense becomes voluntary. Example, if person A throws a stone to person B knowing it may hurt him, it is voluntary hurt. Punishment can extend up to 1 year imprisonment or fine or both. The old IPC equivalent is section 321 and section 323. In new IP, in BNS 115 section, the imprisonment is made up to 1 year or fine or up to 10,000 or both. Now let's look at grievance hurt. Section 116 explains what amount to grievous hurt. The law clearly listed 8 kinds of grievous hurt, including emasculation, permanent loss of sight or hearing, fracture or dislocation of bone or tooth, permanent disfigurement, hurt, endangering life or causing severe pain for 15 days. Example, breaking someone's arm or causing permanent facial disfigurement amount to grievous hurt. This corresponds to section 320 of IPC. Punishment provided under the section 118 and 118 for this. Now what is 117 section? Voluntary causing grievous hurt. Section 117 applies when grievous hurt is caused intentionally or knowingly. Here two things are important to remember. Intention or knowledge to cause grievous hurt. Actual grievous hurt must be caused. Example, if the person A attacks the person B with a rod intending to break his leg, this section applies. Punishment can extend up to 7 years with fine. The old IPC was section 322 and 325. Now let's look at section 118, hurt by dangerous weapons. Means this includes firearms, knives, fire, poison, explosives, animals. Punishment usually higher when grievous hurt is caused using such means. So when the dangerous weapons are used to hurt any person, the punishment will be usually higher, up to 3 years for hurt, life or 1 to 10 years for grievous hurt along with the fine. Now let's look at section 119 and 120, hurt to extort property or confession. These sections deal with hurt caused to extort property, confession or information. They are very important because they cover misuse of power, especially by police authorities or any other government authorities. Example, if a person is tortured to force him to confess or reveal information. These sections apply. Grievous hurt attracts very severe punishment, including up to 10 years or life imprisonment and fine. Hurt to deter public servant. Section 121 applies when hurt is caused to a public servant to prevent or deter him from performing his duty. Example, attacking a police officer to prevent arrest. Grievous hurt attracts higher punishment. The old IPC was section 332 and section 333. So the punishment usually up to 5 years for hurt, 1 to 10 years for grievous hurt and fine. The section 122 hurt on grave or sudden provocation. The section provides a mitigation exception if hurt is caused due to grave and sudden provocation. Uh, as there is no intent or knowledge over here, the punishment is usually reduced provided the accuser did not intend to hurt anyone else. Example, if the person A is suddenly provoked and hits the person who provoked him, the section may apply. And it was previously with IPC section 334 and 335 acts. Punishment up to 1 month for hurt, up to 5 years grievous hurt. Section 123 deals with poison or stupefying substances. Section 123 deals with administering poison or stupefying substances. This includes mixing poison in food or drink with the intent to cause hurt or facilitate an offense. Punishment can extend up to 10 years imprisonment, and this was previously with section 328 of IPC. The section 124 deals with acid attack. Acid attack is one of the most serious crime, and this 124 section is most serious, and it is deals with causing a permanent damage, burns, disfigurement or disability. Minimum punishment is prescribed for this. Fine imposed must be paid to the victim for medical expenses. The punishment is 10 years to life imprisonment, and the old IPC sections were 326A, 326B IPC. Section 125 deals with rash or negligent act. Rash or negligent act endangering human life. So here no intention or knowledge required, but the act is rash or negligent and endangers human life. Example, reckless driving, dangerous construction practices. Punishment increases if hurt or grievance hurt is caused, and it is up to 3 months, 6 months if hurt, up to 3 years if grievance hurt. So these sections from 114 to 125 of BNS, understanding these sections is crucial because they deal with everyday criminal offenses. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to SJ LearnX channel. Thank you for watching.